Namaskar and Vanakkam. Welcome to Harita Sarees. I am Sandeep. Harita Sarees is a manufacturing and wholesaling enterprise located in T Nagar, Chennai. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most hot selling product of 2024. In the beginning of this year, we created a product called Livaa Silk, and this product has been an amazing, and we had an amazing response since then. A huge order and huge demand for this product, and this year has been an amazing year for this product. What is this Livaa Silk? So Livaa Silk is nothing but it's a natural yarn used in making this sari. This gives a very soft, luxurious feel. At the same time, the product is quite economical. Livaa Silk is coming in many varieties with small zari borders, woven zari borders, and all these saris are coming with exclusive prints like Ikat prints, geometrical prints, Ajrak prints, Dabu prints, Kalamkari prints, and many more such variety. The best part of this product and the reason behind this product being a hit is it just needs zero maintenance. It can be washed and it can be worn, draped, and it's an excellent drape. And this is the reason why everywhere we have been getting huge orders for this product. The sari doesn't require much of maintenance, as I mentioned, because the yarns used in making this product are very durable and very maintenance friendly. That's why this product has been demanded from all the states from us from the beginning of this year. Let's see what we have in Livaa Silk today. I'm going to show you the collections in our Livaa Silk. Of course, what you're seeing behind me are the varieties of the Livaa Silk stacked over here. We have at present around 2000 saris of production capacity, and we can supply at a point of time around 800 to 900 saris because we have a stock of 1000 saris already. Due to heavy demand, the stocks have depleted, but we can supply around 1000 to 1500 saris at any point of time. Now let's see what we have in the prints and the different collections of Livaa Silk. Let's see what we have the exclusive collection in Livaa Silk. So in Livaa Silk we have Bagru prints, we have Ikat prints, we have Ajrak prints, we have Patola prints, we have Vanaspati Ajrak, and we have Kashmiri types of designs. So now I'm going to show you first this Ikat style printing. So this is Ikat print on Livaa Silk. So I just want to show you how it feels, See this fabric, it's so flowy, it is so soft. It's a perfect alternate to pure Chanderi and Maheshwari silk sari. And I would say this is much better than those saris because this can be washed at home. It's zero maintenance, doesn't require any special maintenance and care. Just wash at home and dry, and then you can drape and go. It can be worn on daily basis, like for office wear, for professionals who are working, and for all the entrepreneurs who are running business. This is a lovely sari. Throughout the day you can wear. It doesn't wrinkle easily, and it just stands how it is from the time when you drape till the end of the day. In the Ikat prints, we have colors like this is a wonderful black color. Then we have another design in Ikat with this blue color, nice royal blue, maroon and black. Now let me show you some Patola designs in the Livaa Silk. So this is a nice Patola print in Livaa Silk. It's a rapid print technique. So soft, see how soft it is. It falls nicely and it drapes fantastically. We have colors in this, a nice greenish tone, then a mustard, and then a navy blue combination. Let's see what we have in the Bagru taste. So in this Bagru print, we have a nice border. We have a nice Dhakai border in this. So this is a Bagru print sari with a nice Dhakai border. You can see this Dhakai border. It's a lovely traditional Dhakai border. And it's got a nice color combination. This is a maroon color. We have a mustard. Then we have a turquoise. And we have a navy blue in this sari. Now what's there in Ajrak taste? I would like to show you some Ajrak prints as well in the Livaa Silk category. So this is an Ajrak print. It's in maroon color, and we have a blue color. We also have two more colors in this, black and green as well. But at present we are not having it because those are all sold out, and they are in printing, they are in production, and it will be in stock very soon. This is our new creation in Livaa Silk. It is called Vanaspati Ajrak. It is also printed, it's a Bagru design. And the pattern and the printing is unique, and the border also is very different. It's having a 5-line border in Zari, and such unique colors you have: blue, rust, nice green, olive green, and gray. There are 4 colors in this printing pattern. Next, I'm going to show you some Dabu prints in the Livaa Silk category. This is a traditional Dabu print design in Livaa Silk. It's a nice peach color. This is a discharge printing technique used in printing this Livaa Silk, and it's got tissue border on both the sides. The colors are quite unique. You have a nice light blue shade, then you have a magenta color. Of course, we have even Kalamkaris in Livaa Silk. So they are the favorites, all time, in demand. So this is a combination of Kalamkari with traditional Gamti print. So Gamti print is nothing but the reddish printing pattern given along this Kalamkari is called Gamti print. So it's like a fusion printing. So Gamti print is quite popular in Gujarat, and the Kalamkari is quite popular in Andhra Pradesh. So it's a fusion of these two kind of printing. And see the fabric, it's so soft and it flows amazingly. As I said you, Livaa Silk is a very new creation of this year 2024, and we almost sold around 10 to 12,000 sarees already, and still it's in huge production, and there's a very huge demand for this fabric. In this Kalamkari we have maroon, we have blue, then we have olive green, and then we have a mustard. We have made an exclusive pattern in Livaa Silk wherein we have given woven zari butta throughout the sari, and this is the category which I would like to show. It's an exclusive Livaa Silk where we have given a woven zari border and a woven butta all over the sari, and this printing is a block printing technique used in printing this sari, and it is a color discharge print, and they have given nice traditional contrast border and pallu, and the pallu are the colors are so vibrant in this category. See this zari butta, it's so beautiful. We have nice unique colors like this purple and maroon and coffee color and a olive green color, and all these have a common black color printed border and pallu. Then we have some nice exclusive geometrical prints in this Livaa Silk. They are very soft and really nice and fine printing done on this fabric, and both the fabric and the print is complementing each other so well. And I'm very sure if you touch this fabric and when you visit to our office for purchasing these kind of sarees for your store, I will promise you that you will love and you'll enjoy selling these products to your customers as well. And your customers are going to be really happy every time you're going to showcase these kind of products to them, because they are economical also. And as I said you, it's a zero maintenance saree, and it gives you a very, very rich look. It can be used for your daily purpose, for work, for your business, everywhere. It gives you a corporate look everywhere. So here in this is a maroon color, and we have black, we have blue, and we have green. So I have shown you almost all the varieties. This one more variety is a very unique one, which is having a Bagru printing, and it's combined with a Kalamkari border. Like this is a blue, there is a maroon, and there is a green and a mustard color also. So in Livaa Silk, we have almost 80 to 90 designs running always in our production, and whenever you visit our office, you will get to see almost like 30 designs always in our warehouse, where we can show you and you can choose from these collections. And I'm very sure if you try this fabric in your store or in your boutique or in your online e-commerce website, you will get really great appreciations from your customer, because we have put a lot of hard work in finding this product, creating this product, and giving a complete collection of different prints which is there in throughout the India. So don't wait. Please subscribe our channel. Please visit our office, feel the fabric, get a complete experience of what we make. You can present this to your customers with full satisfaction and with confidence. If you present the products with confidence, your customers will love your product and your shop. So don't worry, we have a complete range of all the products. If you're running a boutique, or if you're running a store, or if you're having an online business, you can always start buying product from us, because all our products are of high quality. We maintain ethics, we maintain all the systems. We only sell the appropriate products to our buyers so that they don't get any complaints from their customer. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon for the next video. If for more information, please contact the number which is given in the description box. Thank you so much.